3 dangerous alarm clocks that will force you to wake up. Number 1, running alarm clock. This alarm will make sure you wake up in the morning. If you don't get up when it rings, it will start running around the house creating noise until you get out of bed to turn it off. Number 2, shooting. Gun alarm. This alarm won't stop ringing until you get out of bed and shoot it with its provided gun. Number 3, unique motion alarm clock. This clock is amazing because it won't stop making noise until you're actively moving on it.